Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Camera Crashcourse. Hope you guys are having a great day. You must be having an amazing day to be watching me. I mean, obviously you're watching me. Today guys, we are talking about a brand new app that just hit the market, I believe 2 or 3, maybe about a month ago, but it's just starting to get a lot of attention now, so the attention is starting to peak. This app is starting to explode, and this is why you want to get into it in the beginning when the app is still brand new. You can get into it for free for now. But anyways guys, without further ado, let's talk about Vero as an app, why it is so great, and why is it better than Instagram, and why you should be part of it. Alright guys, so welcome to the home page of my phone. Hopefully enjoy it. This is what my phone looks like. So over here, I just downloaded Vero. Let's go ahead and open it. I have some notifications going on here. Now I would like to mention today, February 24th, 2018, the server for Vero has crashed a couple times. This is because the overwhelming amount of people that have been jumping on just today. So I thought I'd make the video and get it out there so you guys can kind of get an idea about what Vero is all about, and hopefully you guys understand a little bit better. Alrighty guys, so now that we got Vero opened up, let's go ahead and just take a quick scroll through the home page. So this is right when you open up Vero. It'll look like this. The new posts will appear on the top, stuff like this. So it looks all very similar to Instagram, and it is similar to Instagram because that's kind of how it is. It's based off Instagram. It's known as Instagram without the algorithm. So for that reason, it looks like Instagram, but without the algorithm. Now, I must say, I do like Vero. The color scheme of Vero is really nice. It's on a dark background. So if you're using Instagram, you know it's on a white background. And so yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool in that regards. It's a little bit slow today because the app has had several crashes due to so many people jumping onto it. But as you guys can see, as you just scroll through it, it looks very similar to Instagram in the regards that you can scroll through it, like it, but if you double tap on it, it does like it as well. So that's very similar to Instagram. However, unlike Instagram, you can tap on the image, it'll give you a full screen image of it, or you can rotate it sideways and you can view it widescreen like that. So if this was a landscape photo, not portrait, it would show up on landscape mode like so. So that's pretty cool. That's a nice feature that Vero's added. You can also zoom in and look at the image in full resolution, which is nice to have, and that works both ways, both vertical and horizontal, and there's not a lot of compression done to it. So it is very, very nice to have a full resolution image posted. For example, this photo is a landscape photo, so let's go ahead and rotate on its side. And there you go, look, it fills up the whole screen. And if you see something you like what is this red thing over here? Oh wait, there's a guy walking across the tightrope. That's cool. I would never be able to see that on Instagram. So on Vero, I can see that, and that's really cool. Really cool feature to have. So, scrolling up back to the top, all of our pages are shown. Here's one of mine. So this is a panorama I took down in San Francisco. Let's go ahead and rotate it to the side just again. That's a really cool feature. You can also zoom in to the image as well if you want to. For some reason it's having a problem there, but like I said, the app is in beta testing and the server has crashed by just a crap ton of people joining it today. So go ahead, up here we have our notification bar. I've been accepted as a friend by this photographer who follows me on Instagram, and I returned the favor and followed him. So as you guys can see, we just took a look at his photo. And like I said before, it's very slow. The app is very slow. Alrighty, so that photo just loaded from him. As you guys can see, I liked it. He has 25 likes and 6 comments on it. Now, that's pretty cool. Up here you can see my profile. If you're on Vero, go ahead and hit me up. Go ahead and send me a message saying you follow me. I'll follow you back. If you're on YouTube, if you're coming from YouTube, go ahead and say, hey, from YouTube, I have 5 connections. These are all people I've friended. You can go ahead and check them out too. If you can catch them up there. So that's our dashboard. I have 4 followers, 10 following, and 5 people who are friends and who may or may not follow me. So these are my posts, kind of like my Instagram homepage. I can post photos here, post videos, music, places I've been to. I can post TV shows or movies I like. I can post links, so I want to post a link to my YouTube video. I can post the YouTube video link there, or my Instagram page, or a website, whatever I want to. And I can also post books and stuff that I like as well. So there's a bunch of stuff I can post here, and you can see it in a grid view or in a line view, or whatever you call that, linear view, I guess. So you have your bio there, your following stats. If I click on this, I am following 4 people, and I have 4 followers, and I am following 10 people, right? So that's pretty cool. Much like Instagram in that regards. You can search people up here. So let's go ahead and just search this photographer I like. There we go. You just searched him up. Hopefully he pops up. There we go, Jay Daly. And you can see all his posts in a grid. And let's see, you can go through here and look at all of his full resolution photos in a nice sense. So it's very clean, unlike Instagram. It's on a dark background. It's very nice. The layout's very nice. And you can search things like that. If you come here, you can save collections. Everything gets catalyzed into collections. You can use that. I have not personally used it yet, but you can go ahead and try that feature out. This is like your DMs on Instagram, and I don't think you can slide into them, but you can go ahead and tap over there and you can start chatting with someone. So let's go ahead and start chatting with him, and we can send him a message. All right, guys, so that is pretty much the basic layout of Vero itself. It's very similar to Instagram, and I think that's going to benefit itself. So as a social media app, Instagram is by far one of, if not the most popular social media platform out there. So by kind of copying the ideas and kind of the basic platform Instagram, Vero is going to be very well familiar if you're moving over from Instagram. So if you're moving to Vero from Instagram, it's going to be very familiar setup. Now, the reason Vero is better, in my opinion, than Instagram is, one, it has no algorithms, so you can post your photo and the people who follow you are going to be able to see that photo without having to wait for the algorithm to determine the best time for you to actually see that photo in the eyes of the algorithm. Second of all, there is no compression on image. If you post an image 12,000 by 10,000 pixels wide, you're going to most likely see a photo on your app that is close to 10,000 by 12,000 pixels wide. So you lose very little quality and the photo is extremely high quality, and that's just amazing. Now, the other thing I like about it is just the ease of use. The app runs very smoothly, even though this is the beta edition. The app runs smoothly, and going from one page to another is very smooth. I like how the layout is on the dark background, so that's kind of a preference thing. If you like how Instagram is on the white background, I don't know what you personally like. I like the darker colors, so Vero is nice in that regards, but it's also smoother. In my opinion, Instagram lags up on me quite a bit. I don't know if this is just my Instagram, but Vero seems to run smoother for me in the time that I've used it. I haven't seen as many notable glitches or kind of just crashes on the app. So that's cool. I know it's in beta, so that's still going to be developed, so I can't have a final say on that for now, but I do like how it runs currently. It runs smoother than Instagram. This video is not sponsored by Vero. This is my personal opinions. Your opinions may differ, but I would like to say, for the first 1 million people who download the app, it is completely free. After the first 1 million, you're gonna have to pay around 10, 20 bucks for it, which I think is completely worthwhile. So get it now before 1 million people decide to get it. You still have 900,000 slots open, so you guys should be clear for just a little bit. However, the servers are crashing, so more and more people are diving in. So get there quick, so you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you use the app Vero, go ahead, enter your username down below. I will follow you. Come out, check me out right here at JW. Also check my Instagram out. I use Instagram quite a bit too. I hate Instagram, but I love Instagram. So, you know, it's a give take. I'll take both social media platforms. Anyways, guys, thanks for now. I'll see you later.